Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mac password. First, open System Settings from your dock or the Apple menu. Once there, look for Users and Groups in the sidebar and click on it. This section is where you manage all user accounts on your Mac. Select your specific user account from the list to access its details and options. This initial step gets you ready to update your security. After selecting your user account, you will see a Change Password button. Click this to begin the process. You will first need to enter your current password to verify your identity. Then, you can type your new password into the designated field. Make sure it is something strong and unique, combining different types of characters for better security. This is a crucial step for protecting your account. Once you have entered your new password, you will be asked to verify it by typing it again. This helps ensure there are no typos. Below that, you can add a password hint, which can be very useful if you ever forget your password. Make sure the hint is something only you would understand. Finally, click Change Password to save your updates and secure your Mac with your new credentials. For maximum security, always use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols in your password. Avoid using personal information like birthdays or names, as these are often easy to guess. Regularly updating your password adds another layer of protection. Remember to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Keeping your digital life secure is important, and a strong password is a key part of that. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.